Welcome back to the new era, an era where utility meets bold design, where family doesn't mean compromise, and where every drive feels like a departure from the ordinary. This is the 2026 Subaru Ascent. And it's not just redesigned, it's redefined. Subaru didn't just polish up the surface, they rebuilt the experience, outside, inside, and under the hood. The 2026 Ascent arrives leaner, sharper, more sculpted. The redesigned front fascia looks meaner, more focused. And those signature C-shaped LED headlights? Pure confidence. It's larger where it counts, but smarter in every detail. Subaru's new design language gives it a more athletic posture, without losing that all-weather, go-anywhere attitude. Step inside, and it immediately feels more premium. You're surrounded by quality, soft touch materials, layered textures, and a minimalist layout that puts function right next to form. It seats up to 8, but the space feels tailored, not crammed. The second and third rows fold flat, and the new climate system keeps everyone comfortable, no matter the chaos. At the center is an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen running Subaru's updated interface. It's quicker, more responsive, and finally, intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, and there's a new 360-degree camera system that makes tight parking feel like a game. But where it really earns respect is here. A turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine making 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a refined CVT, it's smoother, more linear, and finally fun to drive. 0 to 60 in the mid-6-second range? That's a 3-row SUV keeping up with lighter crossovers. The drive feels tight, responsive. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and updated suspension give the Ascent a sure-footedness that inspires confidence. Whether you're weaving mountain, passes, or facing down a snowstorm, this thing doesn't flinch. And even at speed, the cabin stays calm. Road noise is hushed, steering is direct, and that suspension cushions the road without muting it. It feels composed, planted, and most importantly, predictable in the best way. Starting just under $38,000 and climbing into the low 50s for the touring trim, the 2026 Ascent lands in a crowded segment, but with its combination of space, capability, and tech, it makes a quiet case for being the smartest choice in the room. The 2026 Subaru Ascent isn't here to follow trends. It's built for the families who blaze their own. For those who don't want to choose between adventure and responsibility, because now you don't have to. We've got more machines coming that blur the line between practical and powerful. So if this felt like a glimpse into what's next, trust me, we're just getting started.